As per the order of the trial court, my lord, within 15 days, one day, my lord, within 15 days, your lordship, one Sunday, my lord, visiting rights, we are ready to hand over the child over for that, your lordship.
Now, what I proposed is on Saturday, the moment the classes are over, she will take her stay one night and Sunday morning, she will return her back.
You are not ready for overnight?
No, my lord, even
But they are-
replication is not for that, your
Trouble
lordship.
the child.
Please, my lord,
She will trouble the child, is it?
that's my.
Why? Is the mother going to trouble the child? ಏನು apprehension ನಿಮ್ದು? Owing to the conduct of the mother with the child and taking, speaking to the child, further orders would be passed on. Why she can't take care of the child? She is not the mother?
ಸರ್ 4 years ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಈಗೋ. ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. That's your ego. So don't do that. No, let the child get acquainted to the mother also. ಮಗು ಎರಡು ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. Yes. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕು.
Sir, even I have recorded that every visit I have recorded that.
Sir, instead of doing this recording business and all, talk to the wife,
No, sir,
sit across,
because I am
give
getting
the child,
unnecessary
everything will be
allegations.
fine.